Have you ever been scrolling through Twitter when you run into a video like this? Or maybe one that looks more like this. Then you're all too familiar with the concept of a fan cam. Now, these videos have been around online for quite a while now, but they're starting to get really popular on Twitter. You'll see them in the replies to really viral tweets sometimes. So, what is a fan cam? Well, generally, it's a thing that comes from K-pop Twitter. It's a video of one specific member of a music group performing a song with the rest of the group. Usually the camera person will zoom in on that one member, it's presumably their favorite member, and they'll film them for the entire song. Other times, fan cams are just a compilation of clips of a celebrity or a member of a K-pop group set to the beat of another song. So, is there an easy way to make these fan cams? How do people crank these out so quickly? Well, they're actually pretty easy to make, and I'm going to show you how to make them today for free using a content creation platform called Kapwing. So let's go over to kapwing.com and make a fan cam of my favorite person, me. Okay, so we're here in the Kapwing studio, and for this tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to make the collage style of fan cam. And I'm going to do this by using several clips of myself from past YouTube videos. I know, very vain, but it's easy content. I've got a ton of these clips. So we're making the Robert from Kapwing fan cam. We're going to start with the start with a blank canvas button. So I'll click that. And then I'm going to resize my video to how I see fit for where I want this video to go. So I can do 16 by 9 for a YouTube style fan cam, 9 by 16 for a vertical video, so on and so forth. I think for this one today, I'll do 16 by 9 because that's what all of these videos were shot in. So if you see my tabs up here, I've got a bunch of YouTube videos open. These are all different tutorials I've made for our YouTube page, and these are the clips that I'm going to throw into the fan cam today. So I can just copy the URL to this video here, and then click upload in Kapwing, and paste that right in there. And it's going to pull my video in. So for starters, I'm just going to add a new scene in Kapwing for each video that I'm putting into my fan cam. So I'll just go through and paste each of these links into their own scene. So now I've got all of my clips trimmed down to the exact length that I'm looking for, and the overall fan cam clip is now just 13 seconds long, almost 14 seconds long. So it's a quick one, but I think it's effective. Let's see what this looks like.
Hey everybody, this is Robert from Kapwing.
Hello again, this is Robert from Kapwing. Hey everybody, this is Robert from Kapwing. Hey everybody, this is Robert from Kapwing. Hey everybody, Robert from Kapwing here. Hey everybody, this is Robert from Kapwing. So, you know, maybe it's time I found a new way to intro my videos. It's making me think that watching this here. So now that we have all of our clips in place, this is kind of the fun part where we get to make this fan cam our own. We can add whatever we want. Now, what we have here is enough, I think, to publish and call it a day, but that's not enough for me. I want to take my fan cam a step further. So there's a lot of different tools we can use in Kapwing to kind of take this up a notch. I'll leave my first clip as is. For this second clip, I'm just going to add a basic filter over it. So I'm going into the shapes in Kapwing and adding a rectangle here. And I'll just make this take up the whole screen. I'll change it to like red or something. And then I'll turn the opacity down to give myself this red tint. So kind of random, but it adds to the effect. For this one, we have these progress bars also under the shapes. I think I'm going to add 2 progress bars to this clip and make them cross over the screen as I'm talking. Now it's going to be a really fast progress bar because it's a 2-second clip. But let's take this and extend it out a bit. X across the screen there. I will copy that progress bar and then I will just rotate the other one I made. Hey everybody, this is Robert from Kapwing. That looks kind of cool. So make those blue or something. So, you know, it's kind of whatever you want, just to add some extra pizzazz to your fan cam. You know, you want to really own it and make it your own. If I was, you know, taking my time more, I would probably line these up and make them go perfectly across the screen. On this one, let's add a GIF or something. So I'm gonna look for, let's see about Bay GIF sticker. So I'm just using the image tab in Kapwing to grab this. And there we go. So these fan cams are fun, you know, don't feel like you have to take them too seriously, although you can do that too. That's the freedom you get with these. So we have that. For this one, let's like turn it upside down over here on the right panel. You'll see these rotate tools. There's the mirror vertically. Put me upside down there. And then for this one, let's add some flowers. So I'm going to say flower GIF sticker. Like a really shiny, sparkly flower to close it out. And let's maybe add also another filter over this one. So we've got this kind of cool flower GIF. Put this square over the top, change the opacity down, and maybe like yellow. It's kind of got an aesthetic feel to it, right? So let's see how this looks now with a few of our really quick fan cam edits.
Hey everybody, this is Robert from Kapwing.
Hello again, this is Robert from Kapwing.com. Hey everybody, this is Robert from Kapwing. Hey everybody, this is Robert from Kapwing. Hey everybody, Robert from Kapwing here. Hey everybody, this is Robert from Kapwing.
Hey everybody,
I think it looks great. I'm ready to go spam this all over Twitter. This is the Robert from Kapwing fan cam, and I don't see any reason why it can't be as big as, you know, some of the BTS fan cams that are out there. So one final thing we'll add, because no fan cam is complete without some audio. So we're going to add a separate track. I have this song called Celestial Reverb I downloaded. I can just drag that in here. I'm going to go to adjust volume now, and you can see here it remembers from the last time I added audio in. I bring that down to just 20% so that it's not overpowering my voice. We'll click done. And let's watch it one final time.
Hey everybody, this is Robert from Kapwing.
Hello again, this is Robert from Kapwing. I like how the audio sounds. So when we're all done, we've got our music in there, got some effects on it. We'll just click publish, and Kapwing will start spinning that up on the back end and push a video out. This just takes a few minutes. I'll jump ahead to when it's done. And we've reached the finish line. Our video is published and the fan cam is now ready to go out. We can post it on YouTube, Twitter, wherever we want people to know about the Robert from Kapwing army and how hard they stand. So again, this is just a few simple steps using the free Kapwing Studio Editor. That's kapwing.com/studio. You can start making fan cams today showing who you stan. My name's Robert, as you know. I'm making new tutorials all the time on our channel. If you found this helpful and you were able to go make a fan cam, drop us a like on the video down below. It really helps us get out there and spread the message about the free content tool that we're making here on kapwing.com. And if you really found it helpful, consider subscribing. We love making new tutorials and helping out with videos like this however we can. So thank you guys so much for watching today. This has been Robert from Kapwing, and I'll see you next time.